Hello. Today we'll be discussing Neil Analytics offerings for the Data Warehouse Quick Start for nonprofits. This is a new offering from Microsoft that lets customers seamlessly and easily get started with data warehousing in the cloud. It's made up of several key components, including a core code accelerator, common data model aspects and entities, reflected in a series of Power BI dashboards, all of which can easily and quickly be deployed to your Azure subscription. Neil Analytics offers services to assist with this deployment and enable customers to get the most out of their data. In order to meet the needs of the widest variety of customers, Neil has prepared a series of offerings to help customers who are interested in the nonprofit data warehouse quick start use data in the best possible way. To help customers with their unique problem and situation, Neil has categorized customers into those with a mature cloud practice, those that don't know the value that will be created by the solution, and those that are unsure of where to start. Each of these customer types has a different hallmark and a different need. So, to meet these needs, Neil has created a series of different offerings. In order to meet the needs of those with a mature cloud practice, Neil offers managed services and a managed deployment assist to help folks get off the ground. Managed services enable Neil to engage in a longer steady state operation of a data warehousing system. For those that are unsure of what the value is that will be created by the solution and want to prove things out, Neil's proof of value offering will help those customers get started. Customers that don't know where to start and customers that are in the process of building their cloud practice and don't have a very mature one yet likely will want to start with an assessment. Neil's assessment offering entails several different steps: planning, investigation, design, and review, presentation, and approval. These steps are executed over the course of 1 week in Neil's assessment offering. During this week, we'll step through a series of different pre-created documentation formats, conduct interviews with your team, deploy the nonprofit data warehouse quick start, and create a project plan that will enable our team to engage with yours over a longer engagement. This assessment entails project planning as a primary deliverable. The next offering Neil Analytics has prepared is a proof of value. This is a sample deployment configured with a single connector into the nonprofit data warehouse quick start. This proof of value sets up all the key assets and configures it for customer data. In order to execute a proof of value, has created a preliminary plan of engagement and preliminary project that will be delivered. This engagement also includes all of the assessment deliverables in order to ensure that discovery and alignment are reached during the planning phase of the engagement. Coming out of this engagement, a useful, limited, nonprofit data warehouse quick start will be deployed with a customized connector. So customer data will be flowing into the quick start. This offering is our most commonly chosen offering and enables customers to get started in a tangible, real way with the nonprofit data warehouse quick start from Microsoft. Finally, Neil offers managed services through a technical deployment assist as well as ongoing engagement. The technical deployment assist is a 1 month long period of Agile-based managed services designed to get the nonprofit data warehouse quick start deployed for a customer. This just includes Azure access and setup of the assets. And many customers choose this offering when they want to kick the tires and try Azure out for the first time. Neil typically offsets the cost of this engagement through use of Microsoft funding. that can result in a $0 cost to our customer. Offering from Neal Analytics is an ongoing managed service. Through Neal's unique ongoing managed service delivery model, we engage with customers over a long period of time to support a broader program need. Oftentimes, these customers are more mature in their cloud development practice and already have an active PMO and active cloud governance strategies. Typically, we marry this managed service model with an ongoing support plan. Over the course of this ongoing support plan, we'll identify a team size, define roadmap, pricing initiatives, and engage for the long term. These are Neal's different offerings for the nonprofit data warehouse. We hope this virtual webinar has helped you make your decision when it comes to ongoing engagement with Neal Analytics, as well as the nonprofit data warehouse Quick Start.